5 practical advices for people under 30. Focus on building good habits and self-discipline. 1. Developing strong habits and self-discipline is essential for success. This involves setting goals, making plans, and following through on them consistently. 2. Focus on one habit at a time and gradually build upon your successes. This can lead to improved productivity, better decision-making, and increased satisfaction in life. Start saving and investing. 1. Saving and investing early is key for long-term financial stability. Start by creating a budget, setting financial goals, and regularly contributing to savings. 2. Diversify your investments across a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate to balance risk and reward. 3. Seek professional advice, do research, and remain disciplined in your approach to achieve financial security in the future. Network and build strong relationships. 1. Building a strong network and forming relationships is crucial for personal and professional growth. 2. Connect with individuals in your industry, attend events and workshops, and engage with others through social media. 3. Take time to build meaningful relationships by showing genuine interest in others and providing value. 4. Strong relationships can provide opportunities, support, and a sense of community that can positively impact your life. 5. Continuously educate yourself, either through formal education or self-study. Continuously educating yourself. 1. Continuous learning and education is important for personal and professional growth. 2. Keep up with industry trends, expand your skill set, and pursue new interests. 3. This can be achieved through formal education, attending workshops and conferences, reading books, or taking online courses. 4. Never stop seeking knowledge and embrace the power of lifelong learning to stay relevant and competitive in an ever-changing world. Take care of your physical and mental health. 1. Taking care of both your physical and mental health is crucial for overall well-being. 2. Incorporate exercise, healthy nutrition, stress management techniques into your daily routine. 3. Make time for self-care activities such as meditation, yoga, or simply relaxing. 4. It is important to prioritize your health and seek help if needed. 5. A healthy mind and body can lead to increased energy, productivity, and happiness in life.